Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be creating the thank you page for this application. Once an user places an order, he will be redirected to a screen, not page, sorry, called thank you. And he will be able to get the confirmation that the order has been successfully placed. So let us design the thank you screen. And in our library, we will create a new folder, new, and then a directory. And here I will be naming the directory as orders. I think we have already created orders. So let us create my account. So inside my account, I'll be creating a new file called thankyou.dart. And let us go to I think anyone will be fine. Let me go to the config task screen. All right. And let us copy the config screen and paste it over here. And then let us name the screen as thank you screen. And we will rename this name from config to thank you here. Thank you. And then save. Thank you. All right. And here, instead of this image, we will simply write thank you, or we will write as oh. And then again, one more container. And here I will write, your order has been successfully placed. Your order has been successfully placed. And now let us go to our checkout screen. And here, if the response code is 200, we will be redirecting the user to our thank you page. So here I have to write navigator.push and context material page route, and our context will be and builder, and then we will be redirecting this user to thank you screen. That's all. And now let us go to our home page or home screen. Let me click on the main, the run button, and then I will click on add to cart. Here I can see the cart. And now if I just give the name as Ravi, not Ravi, this time someone different, Alex, and mobile number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and the state as Jharkhand or anything like it, and then the address, this is a complete address. And now if I just click on submit button, I can see, your order has been successfully placed. So now we have to go to our thank you screen, and we will be reducing the size from 25 to 12 or maybe 14. We will also do one more thing. In our first container, above the first container, let us use one sized box, and the height will be like 50. And let us check the emulator. I can see there is a good gap in between. So we have successfully completed the thank you screen. In the next video, we'll be completing the orders page of the admin panel, so that if any person makes an order, we'll be able to check it directly from the admin panel itself. Thank you for watching. subscribe this channel for further updates.